Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find language settings on your account on Pinterest, easy and quick. First click on your profile and now click here. Now click settings and now click personal information. There you will find language settings. As you see, you can change your language here. You can add language and that's it. That's how to find language settings on your account on Pinterest, easy and quick. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.